Hello guys, in today's video. Before we continue, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.
Meet Eilik, a little desktop companion bot with endless fun. Eilik comes with 3 touching areas. Try petting his head, belly, and his back. Ooh, don't touch his back when he's upset, or Eilik will hit you with his sword, gun, or taser. Of course, you can fight back. Eilik is not always so strong. He is afraid of heights, so remember to comfort him when he's upset. You don't need to keep an eye on him. He will play around when he gets bored, but sometimes he will get in trouble. Eilik is growing. You can connect him to your Mac or PC to unlock more content. Eilik wants to be helpful. He can set a countdown timer to help you track with your work. And he loves to play games with you. You can snap 2 Eiliks together to start the magic moment.
Okay. Cheers! Okay. Oh no!
Not enough? How about this?
Modern home security means flexibility. The ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro 6-in-1 Smart Deadbolt has features like 360-degree live finger U-Bolt Pro, the ultimate 6-in-1 Smart Deadbolt. Pre-order now on Indiegogo.
Introducing RxKeeper, a solution to tackle the costliest health problem in America, medical adherence. RxKeeper was designed to help people keep track of their medications and, more importantly, to take them on time. The RxKeeper notification system is comprised of 2 main parts, the RxKeeper container and the RxKeeper app. The app was designed to be user-friendly and to encourage users to take control of their health. You can confidently review your adherence trends to decide where to adjust your habits. RxKeeper is the first ever solution to offer 8 customizable notifications. You can choose between push notifications, text messages, emails, or voice calls. And you can say goodbye to notification fatigue. RxKeeper will only send a reminder if you have forgotten to take your medication. RxKeeper has also been designed to offer smart speaker and smart bulb reminders. And if you think RxKeeper will help someone close to you, there's good news. Caretakers can be notified when a medication time is missed, and they will be able to help encourage their loved ones to manage their medications. Keeping track of your medications can be difficult. Sometimes we all need a reminder. RxKeeper is here to help.
YouTubers, visual content creators, vloggers, you know how important to have dynamic shots on a video. Meet the world's first tabletop dolly that you can make route planning with image processing technology easy and fast. We worked on different scenarios to fulfill your needs. Trexo wheels can perform linear and circular movements without using a mobile device. Only thing you need is to teach the route you want to perform. And also with long dolly in-out shots, you can take advantage of the shadow depth of field for amazing visuals. With the help of the intuitive iOS and Android applications, it's easy to control the Trexo wheels. Application connects instantly when you unfold the Trexo wheels. With the turntable kit, you can use Trexo wheels as a product turntable for 360 photography and videos. Sometimes we need complicated camera movements for multi-scene shots. That's why we developed the camera path mode, which uses image processing technology for sophisticated paths. With Loop feature, Trexo wheels is a great solution for interviews, B-roll, or any other static shots. Just set it and forget it for perfect cinematic movement. Sometimes we need several takes to make it perfect. If you need to repeat the movement, use the buttons on the Trexo wheels or the smartphone app to take it to initial position and repeat movement as much as you want. With single tap, you can convert a movement to a time-lapse. Just a few parameters and you're good to go without any annoying calculations.
Thank you for watching this video.